Luminous range, practice problem 5. This is the last one, and then you got 2 to do on your own. We'll get right into the next topics. The question reads, the light list shows that a navigational light has a nominal range of 15 miles and the visibility is 5 miles. What is the luminous range of the light? We record the given information, it gives us nominal range is equal to 15 miles. And it gives us the visibility, which is 5 miles. And then it asks us, what is the luminous range? What's that luminous range? Okay, now we have the information. We can go to our diagram. And on the bottom, right, is nominal range. Nominal range, again, is the distance you could see that light with a visibility of 10. But our visibility is 5. So we're going to correct it, find the luminous range. So down here, 15. And now here's the curves. Here's 2. Here's 5.5. So we're going to be just below that 5.5. Line it up on 15. And here's where 5.5 hits it. But we're just a little bit below 5.5. And as you go up, you can see that the tick marks get smaller and smaller as you go up. Like, for example, from 1 to 2 is this whole distance. But you see how this 1.5 is not in the middle? It's higher. And from 10 to 20 is only this distance. So it's a logarithmic scale, I believe. So we're 15 up to the 5.5. We're just a skosh under 5.5 curve. And then we bring it over. Make sure we are good. Little tick mark here. Okay, there's 9. Right? So we're up kind of right around 9.5, right up here. Let's do 9.5. And then check our answers. For 5, here we are, B, 9.5. That's what we got. Let's check it. Number 5, B. All right, that's the luminous range. That's the last luminous range problem. And good. Put those in the bag. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.